Finding yourself in a tough situation outdoors can be challenging, but the right survival tools make all the difference. Discover tools that are tough, handy, and easy to use, keeping you protected in these types of sudden emergencies. All the product links are in the description below. Number 20. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife. This practical folding knife stands out as a must-have in your survival toolkit. Measuring 7.1 inches in length, it features a 3.1-inch blade crafted from high-carbon stainless steel for durability. The lightweight aluminum handle ensures easy handling, while the pocket clip and ambidextrous thumb knobs allow quick access. It is designed for reliability and incorporates a liner lock to keep the blade secure during use. Additional features like serrations and jimping enhance its functionality for diverse tasks. Perfect for adults, its lightweight design and everyday practicality make it a dependable choice. Covered by a limited lifetime warranty, this tool offers peace of mind, ensuring you're ready for any situation outdoors or facing emergencies. Number 19. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. This lightweight water filter is an essential addition to your survival gear, perfect for outdoor adventures or emergencies. It effectively eliminates harmful bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, ensuring safe hydration from natural water sources. Designed with a microfiltration membrane, it removes contaminants as small as 1 micron and reduces water cloudiness to 0.2 microns. Certified through rigorous testing, it meets high standards for water purification. Compact and easy to carry, it provides a long-lasting solution, offering up to 4,000 liters of clean drinking water with proper care. Made from durable plastic, its practical design makes it suitable for hiking, camping, and travel. A reliable tool to stay prepared in challenging conditions. Number 18. Bayite Drilled Flint Fire Starter. For anyone exploring the outdoors, this reliable fire starting tool is a must-have for emergencies. Crafted from high-quality materials, its ferrocerium rod is designed to generate sparks at an impressive 3,000 degrees Celsius, making it effective even in wet or extreme conditions. Measuring 4 inches in length and lightweight, it's easy to carry in your gear. The attached paracord ensures a firm grip and keeps the striker accessible. Featuring 6 striking edges made from durable steel, it produces a powerful shower of sparks, suitable for various outdoor activities like camping, hiking, or bushcraft. Whether you're at high altitudes or facing challenging weather, this fire starter provides the confidence to quickly ignite fires for warmth, cooking, or signaling. Number 17. INTERTOOL Chopping Axe. With a lightweight design and a sharp blade, this cutting tool is perfect for outdoor tasks. Weighing just 4 pounds, it features a durable carbon steel blade coated to resist rust and wear, ensuring powerful and clean cuts. The shock-absorbing handle, made from a mix of fiberglass, thermoplastic rubber, and polyamide, minimizes impact and provides a secure grip for comfort during extended use. Designed for efficiency, it's ideal for chopping firewood, splitting branches, and tackling yard work or outdoor adventures like camping and hiking. The non-slip handle ensures safety, while the included sheath allows for easy storage and transport. A dependable companion for various survival scenarios, offering accuracy and reliability when needed most. Number 16. WEYLAND Bushcraft Settlers Tool. Helping you with essential survival tasks, this handy tool is perfect for outdoor adventures. Made from durable alloy steel, it combines a wood drill, peg maker, and scotch-eyed auger into one practical design. Ideal for camping, hiking, and bushcrafting, this tool makes it easy to create shelters by drilling holes or crafting pegs from branches. With a simple method using a stick for leverage, the auger ensures clean and precise cuts. Lightweight and useful, it's an invaluable addition to any survival kit. The included leather sheath adds convenience for safe storage and easy access while you're out in the wild. Number 15. Hayvenhurst Multi-Tool Plier. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this compact multi-tool is perfect for a wide range of outdoor tasks. Featuring 12 functions, it includes a plier, wire cutter, knife, saw, screwdriver, and bottle opener. All in one tool. Lightweight and easy to carry, it fits comfortably in your pocket for quick access access during camping or survival situations. The tool's durable construction ensures it won't rust, providing long-lasting performance. It's designed for ease of use, with smooth one-handed operation and a secure locking mechanism for safe handling. Whether you're fixing gear, building a shelter, or opening a bottle, this multi-tool offers convenience and reliability in various outdoor scenarios. Number 14. SHARPAL Pocket Knife Sharpener. This handy 6-in-1 tool is an essential addition to any survival kit, combining multiple functions for quick repairs and maintenance in the field. Featuring a coarse carbide slot for setting a new edge, fine ceramic for honing, and a tapered diamond rod for serrated blades, it ensures smooth, precise sharpening. It also includes a ferro rod for starting fires, a fishhook groove, and a high-pitched whistle for emergencies. Compact and portable, it fits easily into your pocket or gear bag, making it perfect for camping, hunting, or outdoor survival. The durable construction and superior materials ensure long-lasting performance, providing quick and reliable sharpening for both straight and jagged knives. Number 13. REXBETI Folding Saw. A practical addition to any survival kit, this folding saw is designed for efficient cutting in outdoor and yard tasks. Crafted with a durable SK5 steel blade, it handles tough jobs like pruning and bushcraft with ease. Its 11-inch blade is perfect for cutting through branches up to 6 to 7 inches in diameter, providing a smooth and sharp sawing experience thanks to its staggered teeth. The rubber-coated polymer handle is both comfortable and secure, ensuring a firm grip even in challenging weather conditions. With its extra-long design and foldable feature, this tool is easy to carry and store, making it ideal for camping, landscaping, or general woodwork. Number 12. TurnOnSport Orienteering Compass. This handheld compass is a dependable choice for beginners and seasoned adventurers to explore the outdoors. It features a sturdy acrylic base plate with a 360-degree rotating ring and a direction bearing for accurate direction finding. Its magnetic needle, housed in a bubble-free liquid capsule, quickly aligns with the north, ensuring reliable guidance. The magnifying glass aids in reading geological maps, while the 1 to 24,000 ruler scale simplifies route mapping. It is small and lightweight and fits easily in a pocket or backpack, making it a handy tool for hiking, camping, or field trips. Designed for precise navigation, it suits outdoor enthusiasts, scouts, and survivalists, offering peace of mind during challenging adventures or emergencies. Number 11. Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 Stove System. Highly effective equipment can make all the difference in survival situations. This lightweight and compact cooking system is essential for outdoor adventures, featuring a seamless design with a combined cooking pot and burner. Its efficient heat exchange reduces wind interference, ensuring quicker cooking times. The durable aluminum pot includes a locking handle for secure use, while a neoprene cover provides added insulation. Powered by various gas types like propane and butane, it offers reliable performance for emergencies or excursions. Though fuel canisters are not included, it is compatible with most standard options. For windy conditions, using a protective screen enhances its effectiveness, making it a practical choice for activities like hiking, hunting, or fishing. Number 10. Olight EDC Slim I1R Pro. Key survival tools often come in small packages, and this mini flashlight is no exception. With a powerful LED delivering up to 180 lumens and a range of 48 meters, it offers impressive brightness. Its compact size and lightweight build make it a perfect fit for a keychain, ensuring easy access during emergencies. The updated USB-C charging port simplifies recharging, completing a full charge in just 100 minutes. Operating it is straightforward. Twist the head slightly for a dimmer light or more for maximum brightness. Made from durable aluminum, it is both portable and waterproof, making it reliable for outdoor adventures or everyday use. Number 9. AOFAR Magnesium Fire Starter. Fire making is an essential skill for outdoor survival, and this kit ensures reliability in any situation. Featuring a magnesium rod that easily scrapes with the included striker, it produces sparks to ignite fires even in harsh weather. The compact fire starter set includes 2 durable magnesium sticks, each capable of thousands of uses. A waterproof flint and scraper combination, along with a fire starting cord, ensures you're prepared for emergencies. The waxed flax within the cord acts as a tinder, lighting quickly even in heavy rain. With its lightweight design, it's easy to carry for camping, hiking, or hunting. Number 8. Hayvenhurst Camping Utensils. With a compact and lightweight design, this tool combines essentials like a spoon, fork, and bottle opener into one easy-to-carry item. Built from stainless steel, it resists rust, ensuring long-lasting performance during outdoor adventures. Its small size, just 11 centimeters in length, fits effortlessly in bags or pockets, saving space while keeping convenience within reach. The folding mechanism ensures easy storage without jamming, making it practical for quick access. Perfect for camping, it simplifies cooking with all necessary utensils in one place. Whether opening bottles or preparing meals, it enhances outdoor experiences with dependable functionality. Number 7. Aquatabs Water Purification Tablets. A reliable water treatment solution is essential for outdoor adventures, emergencies, or everyday preparedness. These tablets eliminate harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites from water, ensuring drinking is safe. Lightweight and compact, they are easy to store in survival kits or travel bags. Designed for convenience, one tablet treats up to 4 gallons of water in just 30 minutes, offering clean hydration without unpleasant taste or odor. They provide peace of mind in unpredictable situations and are ideal for camping, hiking, or RV use. Suitable for groups, they are dependable for maintaining health during wilderness activities or disaster scenarios. Pair them with filtration systems for additional purification, making them indispensable for survival needs. Number 6. Jetec Survival Reflective Mirror. These compact reflective devices are essential for outdoor survival, offering a reliable way to send distress signals over long distances. Built from tough acrylic, they resist cracking and deliver excellent reflective performance. Measuring 3 by 2 inches, they are portable and easy to store. Equipped with a precise aiming system, they ensure accurate light transmission, even reaching several kilometers in clear conditions. Useful in various scenarios like hiking, fishing, or camping, they also work under low light or cloudy skies. Protected by a durable film and housed in sturdy packaging, they remain scratch-free and ready for emergencies. Number 5. Gerber Gear Gator Machete. In survival situations, having a reliable multi-purpose tool is essential. This dual-purpose machete is designed for durability and adaptability, making it perfect for outdoor adventures like camping, bushcraft, and trail clearing. It features an 18-inch high-carbon stainless steel blade with a plain edge on one side and a saw on the other. The textured rubber handle ensures a secure grip even in wet conditions, while the included nylon sheath allows for safe storage and easy carrying. Compact and lightweight at 18 ounces, it's an excellent size for various tasks. Built with corrosion-resistant materials, it handles tough conditions with ease. Backed by a lifetime guarantee, it's a dependable addition to any survival kit or outdoor gear collection. Number 4. RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel. This handy survival tool is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. It combines a 180-degree shovel, 90-degree pickaxe, and 90-degree pick hoe, making it ideal for digging, cutting, and breaking through tough materials. Crafted from strong carbon steel with a protective powder-coated finish, it ensures durability and rust resistance. Despite its solid design, it remains lightweight at just 2 pounds and folds into a compact size of 9 inches by 6 inches, perfect for carrying in its durable case. When fully extended, it reaches 23 inches, offering great leverage for demanding tasks. This tool is designed to handle off-road adventures, camping, and emergency situations. Number 3. CAMPNDOOR High Limb Rope Saw. A reliable rope saw is essential for tackling tree cutting projects with ease. This hand-powered tool features a dual-sided high-carbon steel blade with sharp teeth that smoothly cut through branches without the need for ladders or risky climbs. Reaching up to 25 feet, it's perfect for trimming high limbs and clearing heavy yard tasks. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry during camping or hiking adventures. The complete kit includes ropes, handles, gloves, and a carrying case, ensuring you're ready for any outdoor challenge. Designed for beginners and experts, this saw simplifies cutting while reducing your carbon footprint. Number 2. Etekcity Lantern Camping Essentials. Just like other essential survival tools, this compact lantern is designed to provide reliable light during emergencies. Equipped with 30 LED bulbs, it offers up to 154 lumens of brightness, ensuring 360-degree lighting for power outages or natural disasters. The collapsible design design makes it portable and easy to pack, perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. Lightweight and user-friendly, it allows you to adjust the brightness by expanding or collapsing the lantern to suit your needs. With a long-lasting battery life of up to 50 hours on 3 AA batteries, this lantern is also durable and water-resistant, surviving drops and wet conditions. Additionally, it includes a small storage compartment for keeping essentials like keys or batteries handy. Number 1. FUNBRO Multi-Tool Carabiner. A practical multi-tool is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts, offering essential features for survival. With a compact design, it combines multiple tools in one convenient package, including a sharp folding knife, a bottle opener, a glass breaker, a Phillips screwdriver, and a slot screwdriver. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it resists corrosion, ensuring long-lasting reliability. While it's not meant to support human weight during activities like rock climbing, the carabiner clip can be used for hanging gear, making it a practical addition to any camping or hiking adventure. Weighing just 3.8 ounces, it's lightweight and easily attaches to backpacks or keychains for quick access. Its safety features like a locking liner and thumb hole make it simple to use. Which of these tools would you choose for surviving in the woods? Tell us in the comments. That's all for this video.